Seriously Addictive Mathematics is an enrichment centre specialised in the subject of mathematics. With a team of passionate trainers, we have thoughtfully created a learning environment that is tailored to each child's ability to learning. At S.A.M, your child learns to explore various options and possibilities. Embedded in our worksheets are questions designed to train your child to think logically and intelligently. They are modular in nature, which allows our program to be customized specifically for your child.
The S.A.M program is very much focused on the Singapore Maths syllabus, which includes an element of language processing, and that's the unique thing about S.A.M.
The S.A.M classroom provides a creative and easy learning environment for kids. More importantly, I think the instructors are taught to show the kids different avenues to solving a problem.
With our unique pedagogy, each child learns at his own pace. We use props, toys, games and accessories to explain new concepts. The S.A.M program is effective as a standalone curriculum to any existing school math program.
Would I recommend it to my friends? Certainly, because I've seen positive results with my child.